In today's video, I'm throwing together a quick meal with what I have on hand. I'm using some ground sausage, some rice, a few peppers I had a couple tomatoes and an onion, so let's get started. I'm going to start with 2 cups of rice. All of this will be cooked in my rice maker. Then I add the water, and after the water I add the seasonings. I have some tomato bouillon, I have some paprika, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, salt, and then I mix that in very gently. Now I'm going to place the chopped up veggies on top of the rice mixture, but do not mix it, just place it on top. Next, I'm just going to evenly distribute those veggies over the top of the rice. This is pre-cooked sausage from the other day that I'm going to just evenly put over the top of the rice and the veggies. Now I'm going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil over the top of the meat. And that's it, super simple. Now I'm going to place it in the rice maker, cook it on the white rice setting, and that's it. I can come back after the rice cooker beeps and dinner is ready. And mix it up well, and then I have made some guacamole to top it with and a little bit of hot sauce. This was a quick, easy, and tasty dinner. Thanks for watching.